The Wild Bird Society of Taipei, Protecting Land and Sky. The WBST was a key player in saving the Guandu Nature Park in Taipei. In the 1980s, during a period of industrial growth in Taiwan, lands around Guandu were used as a dumping ground. Waste quickly spoiled the local ecosystem, but members of the WBST took notice. After years of campaigning, the society got the government to allow it to tend to the area. It was a huge project, and the WBST didn't know whether or not it could handle it. A lot of money was given to help save Guandu and the animals that lived there. Today, thanks to the hard work of the WBST, Guandu Nature Park is alive again. The society continues to watch wild birds in their natural environment. The WBST doesn't just research birds, though. It studies insects and other animals too. All of these creatures live together in a sensitive ecosystem. In addition to research, the WBST has written several books and runs regular workshops and bird-watching activities. It also manages the Wild Bird Rescue Center, where sick birds are given medical care.